Today, I am going to unbox my new JBL Vibe 200 Bluetooth earbuds. The box is nice with some cool graphics and information on the product. It is easy to open with a flap at the bottom of the box. Inside the box, you have the main unit and the accessories. In the main unit, you have the two earbuds. Don't forget to remove the protective stickers at the bottom of the buds. This will allow the earbuds to charge. Next, you have the 10-inch charging cable. It is a USB to USB-C, so any USB-C charging cable will also work for your case if you need a longer cable. It also comes with different size ear tips for your comfort. On the back, it comes with the quick start guide, and the safety instruction and warranty card.